Hi everyone, this is Simran from Pink and Lime. We are back once again with ready-to-wear festive pieces which you can shop comfortably sitting at home. These are easy on maintenance, easy on pocket, and we can get them shipped to you just in time before Diwali and Eid celebrations. So let's get started. The first style that we have in store is a Pakistani coordinate. It's a two-piece set with thread embroidery which has been done on the kurta as well as on the ghera of the kurta. It has this sort of pleating detailing on the neck, a beautifully hand embroidered placement that has been done on the kurta, which has both zardozi work, pearl detailing and these sort of scallop flowers. This is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants, and the pants also have a smart detailing at the bottom. The sizes that we have in this is large, XL and double XL, and it can easily be altered into small sizes. The price for this particular set is 3695 and it's available in 2 more colors. So we have the same design in a pastel pink and a mint green option. There is smart detailing on the sleeves also with this sort of pleating that will come on the sleeves. Price 3695, sizes large, XL and double XL. The next style that we have in store for today is the smart cord sets. A lot of you had inquired about these shirts that we do. Now we've put them in a proper cord set kind of a style. So this is a shirt in chinon chiffon fabric of medium length with hand embroidery which has been done on the collar. This sort of embroidery which has been done on the sleeves. Beautiful hand embroidered belt which comes with a back tie up and can easily be adjusted as per your waistline. And it has straight fit pants in the same chinon chiffon fabric with belt in the front and elastic at the back. In this we have sizes as large, XL and double XL, and 2 color options are available. This is a soft grey color and a beautiful wine color. Price for this particular set is 3295, which includes shipping for the festive month of October. The next style that we have in store are these smart Pakistani two-piece coordinate on georgette fabric with this sort of hand embroidery which has been done at the bottom. There is kardana work, pearl detailing with smart bell sleeves. This is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants. The pants also have a nice sheer detailing at the bottom. This particular set is priced at 2095 and we have 2 color options available in it. A military green color with Pakistani pants and a soft beige color. This will fit anybody up till the size 40. It's a free size that we've made in this style. The next style that we have is again a two-piece Pakistani coordinate in a teal and wine color. It has this sort of smart sleeves detailing, beautiful handwork embroidery which has been done with pearl, scallop flowers and placed very well on the tunic. It has this sort of a side tie-up and you can adjust it as per your waistline. This set is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants which comes with this sort of a smart detailing. This is priced at 2895. Sizes L, XL and double XL are available. You can see the other color also up close. A teal color and a beautiful wine color. The next style that we have is again a two-piece coordinate in a lavender color and a pastel green color. It has this sort of a fringe detailing on the neck, a similar fringe detailing on the cuff of the sleeves with a scallop lace. There is thread embroidery, gathers which have been placed all over the front panel of the tunic with some pearl hangings and motifs. This is teamed with straight fit Pakistani fans in satin silk fabric with this sort of detailing. This particular set is priced at 2095. It will fit anybody up till the size of 42 and can easily be altered. In this we have one more color, which is a pastel green. The next style that we have is again a two-piece Pakistani coordinate with this sort of fringe detailing on the neck and a side tie-up. It has beautiful hand embroidered motif which has been placed all over the tunic. It comes with this sort of bell sleeves and straight fit Pakistani pants. The pants also have this sort of detailing at the bottom. This is on satin silk fabric, and this style is available in two colors. There's a deep maroon and a teal color. Priced at 2095 only and will fit anybody up till 42 chest size. Next style that we have is a kaftan coordinate with hand embroidery stonework which has been done on the neck. There's a crop top and a belt on the waist. This is asymmetrical kaftan and is teamed with straight fit georgette pants. The pants will also have similar kind of stonework and detailing at the bottom. This is available in teal blue color and a red color. This is very reasonably priced at 2795. This is a free size and can fit anybody up till 40, 42 and 44 size. And you can adjust the waist with the belt. Okay, style that we have is the style that I'm wearing. It's again a Pakistani coordinate in georgette fabric. This is a repeat. We've already done this style in the past and we got really crazy number of orders on it. This has thread work and pearl detailing which has been placed at the top of the kurta as well as at the bottom. It has this sort of pleating which goes all the way to the bottom. The sleeves have the sleeves have crochet detailing. It's a bell sleeve pattern. It is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants, and the pants also have this sort of smart detailing at the bottom. This style also has a dupatta to go with it, which is the same peach color with the four-sided lace work which has been done on the dupatta. This particular style is priced at 2250 only and is available in two colors, a soft peach and a soft lemon color. Sizes L, XL and XXL are available. The next style that we have is again a three-piece Pakistani style coordinate. They're all made in India. They're all Hindustani. We call them Pakistani because they're inspired by Pakistani fashion and style. So this has little bit of floral organza detailing on the sleeves. It's a princess line kurta with an embroidered patch on the side, a mirror work on the neck. It is teamed with straight fit palazzo. The palazzos will also have this organza detailing at the bottom and this sort of a soft organza dupatta to go with it. This is available in two colors. This is the second color, which is a soft beige with similar embroidery on the side, neck work, mirror work that has been done on the sleeve, lace work which has been placed on the princess line, and georgette pants with organza detailing at the bottom. And this is the dupatta which comes with it. This particular style is priced at 2795. Sizes available are L, XL and XXL and can easily be altered to smaller sizes. Next style that we have in store is a three-piece coordinate. This is back in stock. It's one of the like designs on Instagram that we had. This has this sort of detailing on the sleeves, similar detailing on the neck with gathered and rougher detailing at the side of the kurta. It is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants. The pants will also have smart detailing at the bottom and straight and chiffon dupatta with four-sided lace to it. This is priced at 2250, available in two colors, a pastel pink and a soft lemon color. Sizes L, XL and XXL are available. The last style for the day is the smart quad set that we have with this sort of stonework detailing on the sleeve, a smart detailing on the neck. It is teamed with straight fit palazzo pants and is priced at 2,995. Sizes that are available are L, XL and XXL. Those were all the styles that we had in store for today. To place an order, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp on 9811315915. We are offering free shipping for the month of October, and we do not offer any COD facility. We'll be back soon with more styles for you to shop comfortably from home. Thank you. Bye-bye.